OME camera app is not working. So how do we fix these and what are the possible causes? Let's look into this video. I'll be sharing the possible causes and how do we fix this issue. Let's get into the video. So if your OME app camera is not working, so first reason, it could be like the app doesn't have the camera permission. Okay, so it's because maybe the camera like OME doesn't have permission to access your camera. So to fix that, what we're going to do is simply go to your settings. Okay, so go to your settings and then go to your app settings. So go to your apps, tap on apps, and then from here select OME. So look for OME, or you can just search for it and then just find out OME, open it up. Okay, so let me just do that. So I'm just going to type in OME. All right, search it, open it up. So open up the OME settings, and then from here click on the permissions and then select camera. As you can see, camera is not allowed, so click on camera and then you can select either ask every time or allow by using the app. I would suggest allow using the app. Okay, one. And apart from camera, you might also need to access your microphone, so you can also do the same thing, allow while using the app. Okay, and also next one is your phone. You can also allow that as well. So these three are the main ones, main permissions. So just allow that. So now that it's all been allowed, and now it should fix up the issue. Okay, so this is if your issue was because of the permissions, then this would fix up the permission issue. Another reason may be because the camera is used by another app. So another app, like for example Instagram or Zoom, is already using the camera. So to fix it, just close all the background apps. Okay, so just go back, open up all your background apps, just close all of them and then restart your OME app, and that should fix up the issue. Another reason, maybe there is a small system glitch. Okay, there could be a system glitch. So in that case, maybe a system issue is preventing the camera from functioning. In that issue, what you can do, you can simply restart your phone. That should fix up the issue, a simple restart. Okay, or else if you're still having issue, then you can go to your Play Store and see if you have the latest version of OME. So go to OME and then search for it and then see if there is an update for it. If there's an update for it, just update it. Okay, and also in some cases, if you are connected to a VPN, sometimes that might cause an issue as well. So make sure you're not connected to any VPN. So if you are connected, just turn it off. Okay, and also in some cases, if you're still having issue, what you can do, you can just go back to your OME app settings. So again, let's go back to the same app settings here, and then here what you can do, you can simply like go to storage, click on storage here, and then here what you can do, click on the clear cache, tap on clear cache, clear it, and then click on clear data and also clear it. So clear these two options, and then you can try to relaunch the app and also reinstall the app with all the permissions as mentioned earlier in this video. So try doing all those, and that should definitely fix up your camera issue. Hope the video was helpful. If you found it useful, please do like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in a new video.